Okay, now energy. Okay, there are so many forms of energy. Okay, life is full of energy. So there are so many forms of energy, but exchange of mechanical energy, is called work. That means dimensional formula for energy is just like work. And we know that dimensional formula of work is m raised to 1, L raised to 2, T raised to minus 2. So energy has the same df, m raised to 1, L raised to 2, T raised to minus 2. I can write here energy. Now there are different forms of energies. Okay, potential energy, kinetic energy. Okay, all forms of energies have same df, like work, that is m1, m raised to 1, L raised to 2, T raised to minus 2. Okay, again this is called dimensional equation for energy. This is called dimensional formula. Again in energy, dimension of mass is 1, length is 2, time is minus 2. Okay, now it is power. Oh, so many people are hungry for power, for grabbing power. Here it is a physical power. Okay, so we know that it is work upon time. Okay, work done per unit time is called power. It is power in physics, okay, not in politics. So work upon time. So can be written as, for work it is m raised to 1, L raised to 2, T raised to minus 2. Upon time it is m raised to 1, m raised to 0, L raised to 0, T raised to 1. So power has df, m raised to 1, L raised to 2, T raised to minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. This is called dimensional equation for power. This is called dimensional formula, m raised to 1, L raised to 2, T raised to minus 3. In square bracket you have to write. And power of mass is 1. Power of length is 2. Power of time is minus 3. Okay, in power. So let us write here power. That is m1, L2, T raised to minus 3. Now, modulus or elasticity. Modulus or elasticity. Now this is something new for you. Okay? Don't worry. See, in this chapter, they will give us physical equation. Okay, there will be so many new quantities. Some quantities we will learn in first semester, some in second semester, some in third semester, some in fourth semester. Okay, so you need not to worry. If they introduce a new quantity to you in this chapter, they will give us physical equation. We have to just prepare df of it. Okay, so what is modulus actually or elasticity? See, suppose this is a wire, okay, and I hang some weight here. The length will be increased. Okay, change in length upon length. That is called strain. Strain that we discussed yesterday. Strain denoted by epsilon. It is dimensionless, m0, l0, t0. But see here, the weight will be there. That is called force. Upon area of this wire, it is called stress. Okay, so stress has same df like power, pressure. Okay, stress denoted by sigma. So pressure was m raised to 1, L raised to minus 1, T raised to minus 2 yesterday. Okay, this is denoted by sigma. Okay, this is denoted by epsilon. So scientist called Young stated that sigma is proportional to epsilon. So we can write sigma equals to y into epsilon. This y is called modulus. Okay, Young's modulus. There are three types of modulus. So y equals to sigma upon epsilon. So this is m raised to 1, l raised to minus 1, t raised to minus 2. Upon this is dimensionless. So m0, l0, t0. So finally it will be for any form of modulus or say elasticity. Okay, this will be m raised to 1, l raised to minus 1, t raised to minus 2, just like stress or pressure. Okay. And final, surface tension. Okay, what is surface tension? See, we know that the free surface of the liquid, the uppermost surface, okay, is always tensed. Okay, so that is called surface tension. T equals to force upon length. So what is force? Here it is, m raised to 1, l raised to 1, t raised to minus 2. Divide by length, m raised to 0, l raised to 1, t raised to 0. So dimensional equation for surface tension is m raised to 1, l raised to 0, t raised to minus 2. Okay, so you have to prepare all these dimensional formulae. You have to send me, I will check as homework. Okay, and after 2 or 3 days I will be giving you practice work. Okay, there we will conduct tests afterwards. Okay, so you know my WhatsApp number, so you have to send all your work on my WhatsApp number. Okay, that is 9825245816. Okay, and invite your friends also to join our Rushi Parivar. Okay, bye.